Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mrsaquariusb. If you're new here, please consider joining our family and click the subscribe button and the bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. So today we are going to be doing some swatches, baby. Yes, don't we like swatches? I like swatches. You like swatches? We like swatches. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, I'm doing too much. Anyway, so I have 7 different shades that I'm going to try out from Maybelline's new Universal lipstick line. Now, I'm going to go and I'm just going to read what they said this is supposed to be, y'all, because for one, they making a bold statement. So I got it pulled up on my phone. So you guys, I'm going to read it to you. It is Maybelline New York new Universal lipstick shade collection that complements all complexions. Now what now? Oh, that's a bold statement, okay? Obsessively tested on 50 diverse skin tones. Satisfaction is guaranteed. Okay, Maybelline. Okay. I ain't mad at you today. Do your thing. So I bought all 7, okay? This is not a sponsored video. It's just me giving it to you raw and for real. So we're going to get on into swatching the lipsticks. We're going to start with the lighter shades and work our way down to the darker shades. So let's see the first shade. Don't be shady. The first shade looks like a orangey or brown maybe. Okay. Spice For Me. It's the shade 370. So let's just try it on. It looks like an orange. Yeah, this looks like an orange on me. I don't usually wear this shade of lipstick. So, but I do like it. What y'all think? You like this one? This is Spice For Me. The next color is called Mauve For Me. So I see everything is going to be for me, honey. I see what y'all doing. Maybelline. This one, ooh. Some colors I'm a little afraid of because I'm not used to wearing some of these shades. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Now it can definitely make you look washed out a little bit. Now, like I said, I probably wouldn't have tried this color without a lip liner. And I probably should have put the lip liner on first, but I was trying to give it a chance by itself without a lip liner. And this is Mauve For Me. The next color is called Pink For Me, baby. Turn around and just pink for me, baby. You know what I want. You know what I need. Okay. All right, come on, let's see what Pink For Me is about. Okay, I guess I was thinking that when I put it on, it wasn't going to be so satin. It was going to be, if this was matte, it wouldn't work. See you. I see you. See you, Maybelline. Girl. Girl. Okay. I like it. Not with this makeup look good. Really pretty spring summer shade. It's pretty popping. See how it tones it down a lot when you put a pencil, brown pencil on it? Now I love it. All right, girls, we are moving on to number 379, and that's Fuchsia For Me. Fuchsia For Me. Oh, honey, this is summer pink. Summer pink. Who ready for the summer, girl? Let's get this on. I'm talking about, let's see. Oh my. Girl, this is you finna go get you a man today. Yes. I love this fuchsia. Yep. Got to wear this one. Hello, darling. Hello, how are you? Hello. So far, Fuchsia For Me is my favorite. Okay, I don't know about you. If you agree with me, be like, I like fuchsia on you too, girl. You know. Fuchsia For Me. I don't want to take it off. Like, taking it off is sad. It's just sad. All right. So, you see, I'm getting a pinkish looking undertone. That's why I did light to dark shades first. Now we are Red For Me. Who finna be red? Oh my God. Red For Me, baby. Red For Me, baby. Ooh. Oh. 382. This is the first matte shade. Okay. Oh. Okay, Red For Me. Okay, Maybelline. I told you, girls. You ain't got to run it back. You don't have to buy $17.99 lipstick to be fabulous. This is cute. I mean, Ruby Woo better watch out. These girls gonna have them a new shade in town, darling. Yes, darling. I would like to say that if you have Ruby Woo in your collection and you're about to run out, go and get you Maybelline Red For Me. Pick it up. Now we got Ruby For Me. Maybe Ruby For Me is like, girl, the reds we need, Maybelline. I ain't mad at you. I mean, there was no purples, but to each his own, girl. No purple. I mean, I love a purple shade, girl, but I guess universal is what they're going for. So, girl, this red is this red is like, killer red. Let's see what it look like. Oh, it's like deeper. It's darker than the other red. Okay. I mean, I don't see a huge difference, and I do wear glasses, in between the red for me and the red for me and the ruby for me. I don't see a huge difference. I love them both. I think both was really cute on me. You know, I don't know. Maybe they're trying to go for a daytime, one for a morning. I don't know where y'all was going with this one, but I do think it's beautiful on my skin tone, and I'm very excited about that. So now for the last color, the final color. This makes me sad because this is it. Okay, I might have spoke too soon. This one look like it's purple or plumish, and it's called Plum For Me. Smart. This gonna be pretty. I already know. I'm probably gonna keep this one on. No, yep, it's so pretty. I knew it would be. Yeah, this is, yes. This Plum For Me is my favorite one because of right now. It's the season. I mean, if I didn't do another makeup look with it, but this is my favorite one. Only because it is right now very pretty, very much so. I could wear this color to work, you know, and it not be all up in your face. You know, it's complementary to my skin tone. Like, I really like it. I really like it. I really like it. So, you guys, that was it. The only thing I want to say is I believe the first three that I showed you needs to be worn with a lip pencil, a brown lip pencil if you are of darker shade, about my skin tone or darker. And it'll be pretty. It'll be worth the money of spending it. I want to say they are $7.49. I purchased mine from CVS. You can pick them up at any drugstore. Ulta. I would recommend getting them online because right now a lot of YouTubers are reviewing it. The more they review it, the more people are going to go out and purchase the product, and the less product will be on the shelf. So with that being said, you guys, I enjoyed seeing you again. Don't forget, leave me a comment below. Are you going to wear any of these shades? Do you have any of these shades, honey? Which one you like the best and you feel like you're going to go and pick up? And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.